Alright, I got some questions about what I was flying. So I built this. It's from a kit, and I want to say it was a little under $200 without the receiver and without the transmitter as well. So it came with motors. So these motors you install. Big thing is you just have to make sure they rotate their correct direction. These go counterclockwise, well this goes clockwise. Same over here. This one goes clockwise and this one goes counterclockwise. It's got a GPS module right here. You might see the scratches on it. Yes, I've crashed it. Obviously, you know, it's to learn on. This is an Arduicopter 2.8. This might be some of my issues that I'm having. You might be watching the video and it goes up and down a lot. Anytime the wind hits, it can't handle it very much. The motors should be powerful enough for it. The batteries definitely are. So I really, I think I'm running into computer issues. This is the receiver, and then I just mounted the antennas down on the legs. Takes a pretty big battery, and then my transmitter is a Taranis X9D. I can get some telemetry on it, if anyone was wondering about that. Let me turn it on. But the only thing with so far I don't have any telemetry set up. So all I can receive right now is just information about my inputs. So you know, if I'm moving my thing at the stick, it'll show on there, and then it'll show me the readouts. But that's pretty much it. So I'm not getting anything from the drone right now. I do have a first-person view camera I'm going to put on it pretty soon, but for right now I just wanted to fly it around, make sure it works. Obviously it works. Needs a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of playing with, and then obviously a lot of skill from me. I do mount the GoPro on the bottom, so that's how you're seeing it. When I'm flying it, it is third person, so I'm seeing it, you know, from outside the drone right now. But eventually I would like to make it so I have first person view. The GPS can allow me to run missions, so I can set out waypoints and it will fly to those waypoints. But with this current computer, and there's a proper term for that, flight controller, I guess, I'm told not to trust it, and I would worry that it would just sort of fly away. So I don't want to lose it. So yeah, that's it. So if you're interested, maybe I'll link a similar kit down below. So have a great day.